All right, everybody.
BB and her woodworking.
She just... Hey, don't explain what's going on. Just go right into it. Can you guess what BB's trying to do video? That's what this is called. She is going to make a table. Because the table that she's got her hand on is just not good enough. So for the patio, she will make her own table. Because just BB. Always wanting to do something.
What are you over there complaining about now?
Not complaining, I'm talking. I'm narrating.
Oh, okay.
I'm narrating the story for your viewers. But yeah, what she did was we had some wooden fence pieces. That's how she made the home sign welcome up in the front. And we had these left over. And these are good too to use for edging a flower bed. If you,
Yeah.
you know, if it's not even a big one, a small one. But nope, she's gonna make.
I'm gonna make a nice patio table.
There you go. So they do sell these pieces. Like if you see behind where my parents' house over there, if you see over there, the wooden fence. Sometimes if they break in pieces, you can. Home Depot sells them in pieces too. So, or if you want to make your own wooden fence.
Wait till you see me use the table saw.
Oh yeah. You don't see these old-fashioned tools that much.
Nope. And listen here, if you're gonna do any kind of woodworking that really matters, you need these. You really, really do.
How big you making the table? So
what?
Mark that off?
Yes. So it's almost 6 inches. I want 3 in here, and then the rest is gonna get cut on
because you want it the same as that on the end there.
And that's what I'm gonna do on the other side as well.
And how big is this table gonna be?
It's gonna be approximately, because I'm gonna cut this in half.
Okay.
So it's approximately gonna be about 2 feet wide and 3 feet long. It'll be shorter than that because I gotta cut the angles at each end. So that's what I got to do. All right. It's straight. Now,
make sure you have a chair handy.
Yeah, especially
for the old folks.
Yes, for us old folks. But that's exactly why I want the table saw, because I know it'll go straight. I don't have to worry about my hand moving. So.
Alrighty. And you're changing the blade out on that because
That's a diamond blade. It will not cut through wood. It will not. And that will make the motor it'll bind the motor and then wind up frying the motor. So I need this blade for cutting. I need that blade for ripping.
Okay. Rip away. And that we got at Harbor Freight.
Yeah. That's when you were cutting all the tiles and stuff.
In the house, yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
And you can also use it to cut these.
Yeah, I mean, you can use it for anything, wood, anything. I'm just saying, but that Harbor Freight, shoot, 7+ years ago?
Yeah.
That was cheap back then.
Yeah, try that.
Yeah.
Try that now.
Probably double.
All right. Oh, damn, I can't see where the hell I'm at.
Alrighty, she's rounding out the edges. So that's what it's going to look like?
Yep. Yep, now I just got to cut my other pieces, measure this down, because you do have to spread them open a little bit because it's wood. You know, you got to let it, for like rain and stuff, so it can swell and go back down, contract and uncontract. I think that's going to look really cute. All right. So now I gotta change that blade, put the ripping blade in, and rip the legs. Confused yet?
Rip away.
So I need one.
Alright, so you changed the blade.
Yes, sir.
And it's coming along.
Slowly but surely. You know.
Yeah, I mean that blade doesn't.
No, the blade doesn't adjust. It's a portable table saw, so I mean.
It's not tall enough.
Right, you can't adjust the blade depth. That's the only thing.
So you got to go with the whatchamacallit?
I got to go with the skill saw, yes. Which is okay. It's just I was just trying to save a little bit of time, because with this it would rip it real quick.
Alright, scratch that other plan with cutting the wood in half.
Yeah, because without the table saw I can't do it.
Gonna redesign the legs.
Yep. How would I just do it with my dab blend pencil? Doing. All right. 'Cause
Alright, there's your legs.
Yep.
Get them screwed in. Now we're just waiting to put the top on.
Yep. We'll be doing that in a minute.
Alrighty. That's it so far. We had to hammer these because that was splitting the wood. Just to make it a little design. That's the part I did. You didn't see it on camera.
Nope.
And then BB's gonna finish the top up.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna use these as spacers. That's what you use
3.
for tile.
And 3 1/4, so it's got to be bumped 1/4 1/8 of an inch. There.
It's coming along.
Yes, it is.
There she goes. Pretty solid. All right. Final touches.
Yeah.
You have it, dude.
There you have it. Looks good.
Yep. So thanks for joining us, guys. BB from BB the Carpenter.
So until the next video, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourself. See ya.